Yeah. Okay. So basically, amoeba is a unicellular organism. Okay, which do not have particular shape and size. Am I right, Krishna? Okay. Exactly. It has a pseudopodia, that is a finger-like false feet. Yeah, good. Now this is what? This is nucleus. That is a head of amoeba. What is this? This is a food particle. This is food particle. This is pseudopodia. This is basically food particle. Engulf कर रहा है उसको. Okay. Now, and this is what? This is food vacuole. And this is engulfing food particle. And what is it? That is, a food is being then further digested. Okay, this is what? After the food is got engulfed, it will digest it. Right, Krishna? Get it? Okay. आगे बढ़े. Do you understand Hindi? Not so much, but you can understand, huh? But you can understand. Have you ever visited North India? Okay. Do you like this place? Huh? Okay. Where did you visit it? Kulu Manali, Delhi. You like Delhi? Okay. Delhi is fine. Okay. So you like Kulu Manali more? Okay. Now, यूनिसेलुलर के अंदर समझ आया आपको डाइजेशन कैसे हो रहा है कृष्णा? Any doubt यहाँ तक? No doubt. Okay. Now nutrition in human being. Okay, this is a step by step. That is what? That is ingestion. ठीक है? Ingestion, then digestion, then assimilation, then absorption, then egestion. Are you agree with me, Krishna? Only these are the steps, no? Is it anyone? Okay. So you want to take science in 10th? Bio? You want to be a doctor? Okay. Why not doctor? Okay, not doctor, but you will take, okay, you will study bio and you will take biotech. Okay. Yeah, it's a great future though, but not in India so much, but yeah, after some time, yeah, after outside, have a great future. Yeah, yeah, it's a great course out of India. It's a MSc, yeah, the masters in MSc, that is master, yeah, MSc biotech. Yeah. It's an integrated course. Okay, and maybe it is good in Canada. Canada, it's good. Canada and Australia for biotech, it's good. Okay, I'll guide you further. Okay, as I'll be your bio teacher. Okay, okay. So tell me, yes, you are writing something, Krishna. Okay. Okay. So, what is ingestion? Okay, ingestion basically take in food. Okay, take in food. Food is break down into small fragments by teeth. Agree, Krishna? Ingestion, ingestion is, just a second. Hi Aditya, how are you? Aditya, you can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and talk to me, Aditya. Yes. So, Krishna, ingestion starts in buccal cavity.
Hello, ma'am. Aditya here.
Hello, Aditya. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Which class you are in, Aditya?
I'm just in 8th, ma'am, going to 9th, ma'am. There.
Okay. So basically, what? Okay. So there is some problem, but it will be sorted out. So, Aditya, you have also this chapter in 8th, right? Nutrition.
Ma'am, ma'am, nutrition I had in 7th, ma'am.
Okay.
That nutrition
No,
in
your
7th.
digestion, absorption, this all in your 8th also, no? Your life processes, is it there?
Yeah,
Life.
purposes is there, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's it also, but
Uh-huh.
nutrition we have 7th.
Okay.
You are
Yeah.
specifically
Yeah. Okay, Aditya. So life processes you have, right, Aditya?
in bio life processes is always there.
Yeah, so let me introduce myself, Aditya. Myself, Dr. Himadri Pandey, and I'll be taking your bio. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. No
Okay,
worries.
yeah. So basically अभी तक मैंने क्या पढ़ाया आदित्य? Krishna, just a recap from just give me 5 minutes and let me tell Aditya that what we have studied till now. Okay. So Aditya, what do you understand by the term life processes? Do you know what are life
Life,
processes?
yes, yes. I can tell you about this, ma'am. Life processes mean that the processes which are done in our body to sustain our life, like respiration, digestion,
Yeah, these are the life
reproduction.
processes. Basically, it's a group of events which forms program, right? If I'll be simpler
Yes,
way, if
ma'am.
I'll say, right? So yeah. So life processes में क्या क्या आता है? That is reproduction, excretion, respiration, growth, digestion, movement, and nutrition. Are you agree with me, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Totally agree.
Okay, you know what is reproduction, right? When we transfer our genes from one generation to the another one, right? What is
Production of
excretion?
new offspring.
Yeah, production of new
Okay.
offsprings, and it can be divided into asexual and sexual. We'll discuss in the reproduction
Yes, ma'am.
chapter that what is asexual and what is sexual. Okay. Now, excretion
Okay,
mein,
okay.
what is excretion? Basically, the undigested food is been eliminated from the body, right? For example, urea. Hmm.
Substances that are eliminated, like urea and other things.
Hmm, exactly, exactly. Respiration is for your energy when you get energy from and your oxygen is being released. Okay, that is
Yes.
respiration. And let me tell you,
Break.
yeah, Krishna, what is respiration, Bachar? You know it well better than, right? Krishna?
Yes, so, ma'am. You are teaching of class 10th.
Mm-hmm. I am teaching life processes only. Okay, and I'll be teaching both 8th and 10th. Actually, there is some technical issue. Okay, Aditya. You have a different batch right now, but because of bio, so you'll be coming in this batch for a day only. Okay, so I have just selected a common topic that is life processes. Okay, Aditya.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just
No
because
issues.
because you have a different batch and Krishna has a different batch, but due to some technical issue, you have came into mine. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, but I'll be taking you a common topic for both Aditya and you. Okay, so that both can understand well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya. Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yeah.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, Krishna, not breathing. Breathing is a physical process. It is not situated to respiration. Respiration is basically what? It is an amphibolic process. Amphibolic matlab catabolic and anabolic. You know what is difference between catabolic and anabolic, Krishna? Hmm? Aditya, do you know what is amphibolic? That is
Answer, ma'am. I have no knowledge.
amphibolic. Okay, amphibolic is
No,
what,
ma'am.
bache? Okay, let me tell you. You have to, matlab, you'll be coming in ninth, so you know this term. That is, it is a mixture. You can say that is catabolism and anabolism. See, Aditya. Okay, you know it. Okay, 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 okay. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
what is it that amphibolic जो process है? It is a two. It is a basically you know heard about metabolism. व्हाट इज मेटाबॉलिक, हमने
Yes,
कहते हैं
ma'am.
ना हमारा, या हमारे अंदर मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज होती है। जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो
Yes, ma'am.
मेटाबॉलिक रेट हायर हो जाता है, लोअर हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो मेटाबॉलिज्म क्या पार्ट है? दैट इज कैटाबॉलिज्म एंड एनाबॉलिज्म। दो पार्ट से बनता है मेटाबॉलिज्म। कैटाबॉलिज्म क्या होता है? जहां पे कोई भी सब्सटेंस टूट रहा है, ओके, लाइक ग्लूकोज है C6H12O6, ग्लूकोज टूट जाता है इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड H2O, राइट? Right,
Yes,
Aditya?
ma'am.
So it isn't catabolic.
Yeah.
Okay, but what is anabolic? When I am joining or when I am making a new substance. मतलब जिसमें मेरे, मतलब जिसमें कोई भी चीज लाइसेंस नहीं हो रहा है, it's a joining thing. Okay, that is known as anabolism. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Getting, ma'am.
Okay. Krishna, what is now you tell me, Krishna, what is give me an example of anabolism? Exactly. You're right. Bone growth and your muscle. Okay. Okay. Cool. आगे बढ़े? Okay. Okay. Now, what is nutrition, Aditya? Aditya, nutrition क्या होता है बच्चे? Aditya, what is nutrition? Aditya, you are unaudible to me right now. You are inaudible. Yeah.
Ma'am, now,
Hmm.
now,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nutrition.
Aditya,
Ma'am,
your voice is breaking. Can you come in the network area so that we can have a good session?
okay, ma'am.
Now I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, according to me, ma'am, nutrition
Hmm.
means that, ma'am, if we take food,
Hmm.
so that food gets absorbed,
Hmm.
assimilated. That food gets, let me come in the series. That food get digested. That food get absorbed. That food
You
get
are telling
assimilated.
me nutrition in human being, which I have discussed it, जो मैं करने शुरू वाली थी. Okay, I am talking about the normal nutrition बच्चे. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which you get nutrients in the body, right? And what are the
Yes,
major
ma'am. By
nutrients you
food.
are? Yeah. And what are the major nutrients you want? You have to have. That is your
Ma'am, can I?
carbohydrates, your proteins, your
Yes, ma'am.
fats, your
Yes,
vitamins, and your minerals. Right? Now there are two
yes, ma'am.
type of,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, there are two type of heterotrophic. There are two type of nutrition. One is your autotrophic and other one your heterotrophic. Okay,
Heterotrophic.
what is autotrophic? That means auto means self, right? That means a nutrition which in which plants make their own food. Okay, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So plants are autotrophic. But what are heterotrophics, which cannot make own food and they are dependent on your ecosystem. Right, Aditya? And right,
Yes, ma'am.
right, Krishna? Hmm. Okay. So basically, there are three type of heterotrophic example, that are saprophytic, parasitic, and holozoic. Can you appreciate
What, ma'am?
Can you appreciate the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Aditya, it's a saprophytic, parasitic, and holozoic. Saprophytic means organism which feed. Aditya, can you understand my writing?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. No problem in
Yeah.
your writing, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, saprophytic in which organism which feed on dead and decaying animals. Okay, that is scavengers, decomposers. They come along in the category of saprophytes. Okay, and what are parasitic? That which feed on another animal, host जिसे बोलते हैं. For example, leech, your amarбет, they are what parasitic. Okay. Now what is holozoic? Which metabolize the complex food material into the simpler ones. Example, human beings. Clear, Aditya?
Ma'am, one thing I want to ask related to it, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what would be the difference between saprophytic and parasitic mode of nutrition, ma'am?
अच्छा, बच्चे जो सैप्रोफिटिक होता है उसमें डेड और डिकेइंग पे वो अपना खाना लेता है, फीड करता है. ठीक है, मतलब कि इट्स अ डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म on which an organism is feed on. But parasitic में have you heard about lysis in your head? आपके वो lysis हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes.
Lysis. So you are a parasite too. You are a host to this that parasite. Okay, because your blood is
Okay.
food for him. But you are live. Right? मतलब वो उसके इंसान
Yeah,
के
yeah, yeah.
अंदर रहता है. Like the example is amoebiasis. ठीक है, उसमें जो amoebiasis basically it's found in our intestine. Okay, जैसे कहते हैं ना, जिसमें कहते हैं कि बेसिकली उसमें क्या बता रही थी मैं आपको. हाँ, या इसमें जो,
Got your point, ma'am.
या मैं उसमें बता रही थी कि जो पैरासाइट्स होते हैं उसमें लिविंग के अंदर दे फीड ऑन. ओके, दैट ऑर्गेनिज्म इज लिविंग. But in the saprophytic, the organism is dead. Your host is dead in this. Okay, get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how do organisms obtain their nutrition? Okay, that is amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism which does not have particular shape and size. Right, Aditya? You have studied about amoeba this
Yeah,
year,
yeah.
right? That they have
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
mitochondria, they have false feet known as
Yeah.
pseudopodia, right? So,
Yes, yes, ma'am. I
yeah,
also knew how they take their nutrition. That
exactly.
they
By
put the
the
pseudopodia around the food and
exactly.
ingest it, and
Hmm.
then they digest it, and then in same way they do others all things that like absorption only through. I think I'm not remembering that part through which they do.
Pseudopodia.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I told that, but ma'am, just a digestion and other things. I am not remembering
Food,
that
food particle, food
chemical which is.
part, food vacuole, vacuole में
Yeah,
अंदर, yeah,
correct, ma'am.
yeah, food vacuole. That food particle will goes to the food vacuole and then it will be further digested and the undigested through the diffusion it will take off. Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hmm.
I
So you
remembered.
know it. Okay. Now we'll heard about human beings. Okay, Aditya, I'll be sharing some of the facts which can be of knowledge to you. Okay, and which already known by Krishna. Okay, Aditya. So it's a
Yeah,
good,
yeah, ma'am.
yeah. So it's good for you to know about more. Okay, so that you have a good sort of knowledge. What do you want to be in your life, Aditya?
Ma'am, I
Hmm?
think I would want to, ma'am, be a scientist, ma'am.
You want to be a
Space scientist.
scientist? Okay. You don't want to be
Space
a
scientist.
doctor?
मैम डॉक्टर तो मैम आई थिंक बट मैम जैसे कि
Hmm?
एक्चुअली मैम जैसे मैं अपना देखता हूँ कभी कभी तो
Hmm?
आई फील दैट कि आई शुड बिकम बट आई एम एक्चुअली रियली स्केर्ड ऑफ दैट कि मतलब
Hmm.
डॉक्टर का ये काम होता है ना कि वो ह्यूमन बॉडी का सारा चीज करता है अगर
Hmm.
सर्जरी इफ ही हैड टू डू एनी सर्जरी तो
Hmm.
ही हैज टू सी ब्लड वर्ड निकलता है तो
Hmm.
I am scared of that thing.
It's a
And
part
I
of
think
life.
that I may be not. Uh,
Hmm. Okay, just be a scientist only. Okay. But
Space
yeah,
scientist, ma'am.
you want to be a space scientist? Nice. Good. That's a good field, and I hope you'll achieve that. Okay. So, basically, we'll talk about nutrition in human beings. Okay. So, nutrition in human beings में ingestion, that is digestion, assimilation, absorption, and egestion. Right? Right, Krishna? So, ingestion में मैंने आपको क्या बताया? That is intake of food. Yeah. That is intake of food. Food is breakdown into small fragments by teeth. Okay, now one by one I'll discuss it all the events. Okay, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Krishna? Okay. So, ingestion is done in mouth. Other name of mouth is oral cavity
Yes, ma'am.
and buccal cavity.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is made up of roof, floor, and your sides. Right? Your roof is made up of palate. Okay. Your floor is made up of tongue. Okay. And your sides is made up of teeth. Do you guys agree with it?
Yes,
Aditya,
ma'am.
you know what is
Yes,
palate,
ma'am. I
tongue,
agree.
and teeth, right? Now this palate is
Ma'am,
divided into, yeah.
I know tongue and teeth, not ma'am palate.
Okay, can you okay? Take your tongue, मतलब just take your tongue and just ऊपर upside पे just touch your tongue. Can you see the bony hardy part?
Yes, ma'am.
That is palate. तालू बोलते हैं हिंदी में. Okay, and when you just roll your tongue and just and try to touch that part, that is soft, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is soft. So palate is divided into hard palate and soft palate. Okay. Now roof मतलब क्या होता है? छत मतलब ऊपर का जो portion है, that is palate. Floor जो है, that is made up of tongue and teeth. Okay. Teeth भी there are incisors,
Canines,
canines,
premolars, and molars.
premolars, and molars. Right, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I rub it? Okay. Now, buccal cavity में एक चीज important है, that is saliva, which is slightly basic in nature, that is 7.4 to 7.7 pH होता है. Okay. And saliva क्या करता है? Lubrication, so that it easy swallow, right? Lubrication, easy swallow, and what they have? Lysozymes, which has antibacterial properties. Right, Aditya? Do you
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
it? What I have told you. Saliva, you know,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That almost
Yes, ma'am.
1.5 liter per day. 1 to 1.5 liter saliva has produced per day. लुब्रिकेशन का काम होता है सो दैट इट कैन बी इजीली सॉल्युबल मतलब सॉल्व कर पाए ठीक है नाउ दैट लाइसोजाइम्स इज बीइंग प्रेजेंट हैज बीन प्रेजेंट लाइसोजाइम्स क्या होता है दे हैव अ एंटीबैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टीज राइट
Yes, ma'am.
ओके कृष्णा कैन आई elaborate okay now important part is 30% of your cooked starch digested समझ आया ये चीज कृष्णा दैट इज 30% ऑफ कुक स्टार्च मतलब अगर तुम कच्चे चावल खा लेगा मतलब इफ यू ईट रॉ राइस ओके दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस कि तुम्हारा स्टार्च जो है वो ओरल कैविटी में डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है नो इफ योर स्टार्च इज कुक्ड ठीक है देन द 30% ऑफ इट डाइजेस्टेड इन द ओरल कैविटी ओके
Yes, ma'am.
yes now after your okay this lubrication जो आपका फूड का हुआ है that known as bolus क्या बोलते हैं इसको bolus now bolus will goes into where into esophagus esophagus is also known as food pipe you know Aditya
Yes, ma'am.
okay sorry now esophagus is of 25 centimeter long okay which animal has the longest esophagus
I think so. Giraffe.
exactly Aditya you are intelligent you are impressing me good good okay so that is movement of esophagus movement of esophagus
Muscles.
को क्या बोलते हैं कृष्णा not muscles Aditya there is a specific term Aditya should have
Ma'am,
known
muscles
it
से होता है.
हाँ muscle से होता है but what is exactly called that word Krishna peristalsis
Yes, ma'am. Peristalsis.
peristalsis okay peristalsis is important Krishna it's important for your board exams as well so what is of that is peristalsis okay Krishna okay Aditya
Yes, ma'am.
then
Peristalsis.
through yeah see this is a model nowadays of digestion this is all about our body looks like it's a gross anatomy of your body okay what is anatomy basically the study of organs okay like after digestion after insection dissection after dissection when we study organs that study is known as anatomy okay what you have inside your body that study is on anatomy okay Aditya okay Krishna okay
Yes, ma'am.
so here a small video I would like to show you up okay from your digestion hope you like it all
Okay, ma'am.
can you see the screen
Yes, ma'am. It's yes, ma'am.
Just a second.
Food, your digestive system is activated automatically.
Can you see
In the
the long
stomach, the food is broken down
esophagus?
into smaller pieces and digestive
ma'am.
juices are added. The now liquid food is passed on to the small intestine, where the nutrients are absorbed and digested.
Okay, guys, let me tell you. Yeah. Can you see the esophagus over here?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
I can
Now,
see.
after your esophagus, this is a red portion is of liver. Okay, but just beyond the liver, it's a J shape called as stomach. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, after your esophagus, food is being passed to stomach.
Ma'am,
Okay.
stomach, ma'am.
Now, stomach what? Stomach is a J-shaped organ. Okay, that is hollow in nature. Hollow in nature, that means a hollow bag-like structure. Okay, and here what it contains? It contains what? It contains digestive juices and HCl. Now the bolus is turned into chyme. Now function of stomach is storage होता है food का for 3 to 4 hours. HCl basically what do? It's an antibacterial property होती है इनके पास. That means it basically destroy the bacterial invasion or the viral invasion. Okay, and there will be digestion
Yes,
of
ma'am.
protein started. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And digestive juices are added. The now liquid food is passed on to the small intestine, where the nutrients are
It
absorbed
also
and
has, ma'am,
digested.
mucus at the thinner lining of stomach,
Yeah,
which
exactly.
protects it from
In the large intestine,
effect of
also called the
HCl,
colon,
as
Exactly.
HCl
It
is
water
from
and
neutralizes
salts are
the
absorbed,
pH of
causing the
HCl.
waste products to become firmer and turn into stool. The stool is then pushed through the intestine towards the rectum by a series of muscle contractions known as peristalsis.
Get it, all
You
of
have
you?
3 to 4 major peristaltic movements each day. The time it takes for food to pass through your digestive system is called the transit time. The average transit time for females is 2.4 days and 1.9 days for males. When stool fills your rectum, nerve
large
endings
intestine is
register that
divided
your
into,
bowel
ma'am,
wall
these two
becomes
parts, ma'am.
distended and a signal
parts,
is sent to
Colon
your
and
brain
rectum.
telling you that it's
No.
time to find
That
the
is
toilet.
cecum, colon, and rectum, and sigmoid.
Yeah, ma'am.
There are
At the
4
same
parts.
time, your internal sphincter
Yeah, ma'am.
relaxes by
Today I
reflex
knew 2
and stool
parts extra.
moves down
Yeah.
towards the
And up
anus.
till now, I only knew conol and rectum.
Yeah, that is cecum, colon, sigmoid, and then rectum.
When you are ready, you consciously allow the external sphincter to relax and stool is expelled.
Okay?
In
Through
between going to the toilet, both
through
the
canal,
internal and
anal
the
canal,
external
it
anal
goes
sphincter are
out of the
contracted to keep you continent and to prevent.
get it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, you like it? Okay. So here I'll be discussing till here today as classes of 1 hour. Okay, and from okay. Next class mine is on basically on Friday mostly. Okay, on Saturday I'll let you know people. Okay, so do you like today lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask one thing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, after your class tomorrow would be any class,
I'll
any of any other?
you just need to connect with your technical team, with our technical team. I'll just convey your message and she'll tell you your schedule. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah. Krishna, I'll you like the lecture today? And from the next lecture, because of Aditya is here, so I'll be having a quick revision. Okay, and by the next class I'll be finishing this chapter. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and Aditya, I'll be arranging your class into your batch only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye, take care,
Thank you, ma'am.
be safe and be healthy. Bye bye, Krishna.
You